there's a question on here, does UV and blue light from screens affect our skin similar to UVA? No, totally different. So first of all, UVA, when we talk about when you're outside, the spectrum of light is measured in nanometers. That's how far it penetrates. It goes from 0 to 400. UVB goes from 0 to 320. UVA goes from 320 to 400. UVB, we call that the burning rays. It's the most prevalent in the summertime. UVA is a ray that penetrates like an X-ray. You don't see a sunburn, but it damages your collagen, your
It's worse.
elastin, all kinds of things. And it's the same intensity all year round. You could be January in a snowstorm and you look up and it looks black outside and you're still getting as much UVA as you're getting in August.
Right. And I think that was one of the problems when people are using suntan beds so much for, I think that's the phase has kind of gone away a little bit. Thank goodness for sunless tanning. But I think they were getting a lot more penetration of UVA too.
Well, there's both rays, but tanning beds are a lot more intense. Now, when we talk about blue light is very controversial because we know blue light comes from computer screens. We know it comes off of phones, but we also use blue light to treat acne. It's blue light to treat other kinds of skin disorders. And what I can tell you about blue light is I can find just as many articles, real medical articles, not just things that are on the internet randomly, that can talk about the potential for blue light to be very helpful, and I can find articles that say it's negative.
Right.
FDA has not come up with a conclusion. There's no conclusion on this. There's speculation, no conclusion. And if there are no sunscreens out there that have any kind of legal or FDA approval to make any claims to protect you from blue light, they do not have a way at this time to measure blue light in terms of protection. So when you get a sunscreen and it has an SPF factor on it, what they've done is they've measured the spectrum. You know, is it an SPF 30? Is it an SPF 50? How far does it go into, is it broad spectrum? They do not have that designation for blue light.